To use Target team member discount online, start by logging into your Target account on the company website. If you do not have an account, create one by providing the necessary information, including your name, email address, and employee ID number. Once logged in, navigate to the shopping cart page by adding items to your cart and clicking on the cart icon. Click on the Apply Promo Code option and enter your team member discount code, which can be found on the Target employee website or obtained from the HR department. The team member discount code typically starts with the letters TG and is followed by a series of numbers. Enter the code correctly and click Apply to receive your discount. You can use your team member discount on most items sold on the Target website, excluding some gift cards, prepaid cards, and certain electronics. To ensure you receive your discount, make sure to enter the code correctly and check that the discount has been applied to your order. Before completing the checkout process, you can use your team member discount in combination with other Target promotions and coupons, but some exclusions may apply. Best practices for using your Target team member discount online include always checking the Target employee website for the latest discount codes and promotions, reading and following the terms and conditions of the discount program, and keeping your account information up to date to ensure you receive the latest discounts and promotions. By following these steps and best practices, you can easily use your Target team member discount online and save money on your purchases. Remember to always check the Target website for the latest information on team member discounts and promotions, and to read and follow the terms and conditions of the discount program to ensure you receive the maximum savings.